Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create fire effect in CapCut PC. Alright, for example, I'm going to select image and I'm just going to go to effect, select my clip, select stroke. So you can adjust for duration in the sunlight. And after done, you are just going to select the clips, right click and create compound clip. Go to comic effect, scroll down and you can find the fire edge, add trade. Just for this speed. Alright, so this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. So this super